Yeah, you know how I'm coming. They know how I'm coming. Hey, look.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Letzbegin, and I'm back with another review. Today's review is on Hair Queen's beautiful unit that they had sent me, and it is a 20-inch braided wig. I'm going to give you all the deets. Just check this out first. Alright, we're going to start with unboxing. Their box is gorgeous. I love that. I had to show y'all the hieroglyphics of it. It is real nice. So when you open a box, you get your wig. It comes up in a net. And then under the wig, it has a bag, which I think is to store your wigs in, which is very nice, and it's silky. And it has their logo on it, WeQueen, which is nice as well. You get a cap, which is candy, a card actually to follow them on Facebook. They also have instructions on how to take care of the wig, which I think is nice. And then we're going to get into the deets of it. To the right of me, I have what they have on their site for the details. But it's a 13x5 Swiss lace average cap. It comes with an elastic band. It has 3 combs and adjustable straps. It is pre-plucked. This hairline is real nice, and it also comes with baby hairs. Gorgeous. Okay, so I put it on my hair so you guys can see. I was scared about the lace. We're going to discuss that later because it was a little dark, but it looks real nice, and it airs ear to ear on me. This is what it looked like when I installed the wig. I'm going to go ahead and do some baby hairs. I'm going to get quiet for this part so you guys can just go ahead and watch. I'm gonna apologize now. I didn't get to show y'all the other side because my phone was acting stupid, and when I thought I was recording, I wasn't. So here is the end results, and I'm just gonna show you how I make it blend a little bit more. Okay, so for some reason my cap pushed back, so I'm gonna have to make it blend. And all I did was take that same concealer, and wherever the cap started at, that's why I added it and just made it and blended it together. And you see it works out very well. I made sure I do this all throughout. I explain later on why I did this, but if you do this, do it in between the parts. And if you do the edges, you have to do it lightly on the edges because you do not want your wig to lift because this is oil. Alright guys, now that you have seen the unboxing and everything, let's just get into the deets. This is a braided wig from WeQueen. They was kind enough to send me this unit, so I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all. what she looking like, and she's looking bomb. You can't tell me that I didn't sit in a salon for 8 to 12 hours to get this done. You can't tell me I didn't. I love their box. Y'all seen me kept showing y'all how we got the little hieroglyphics and stuff. But I think it's very good that they did give us a bag so you can store your hair in to keep it fresh. They do give you a cap to use, which I did use in my head. So I do thank them for that. I guess we can start with the cons. The con that I had was that the wig was kind of tight on my head. I did cut out the elastic band because I did look at previous reviews because I never had this company before, and they was saying the same thing, that the cap is kind of tight. But I did look on the website, and they did have in the description like it does loosen over time. I thought it was a lie, but I did have this wig on for about 4 to 5 days. Actually just reinstalled it. I can't really say it's a con because, as the description said, after a while it does loosen on your head. It does, and I know that it did because I ended up taking my cap off on the first install. It loosened a little bit, but not too much. But then after a while, I kept it on for a couple more days and it was loose. And I do have a video of me like pulling and seeing that there was a little bit more stretch because I didn't even have the adjustable straps on because that's how tight it was. But now I do have a cap on and I do have the adjustable straps on, and it fit just perfect. So I will say this is like medium average size, head friendly. Another con was it had like a little smell to it, and I ain't seen nobody else say they had that issue, but mine's did. So I just had some hairspray, perfume spray, and I sprayed on it. And what I thought was going to be a con was the color of the lace. They said it is Swiss lace, but that's a little bit dark to be Swiss lace. In the first install, I barely cut off the lace. I kept some of the lace on, but I was able to blend it. I'm going to make sure I have it next to me. I was able to blend it down, okay? So the lace isn't an issue. You can blend it. Of course, you guys know that I use my holy grails to go ahead in the inside of the cap. When I reinstalled it, I added some of this first, and I added my foundation, then my powder, and then I installed it. I used my Ors olive oil glossing hair polisher to give it like a more realistic like shine, like I just came from the shop, to give it like a little razzle dazzle. You know, in the shop they put your little greasy your scalp and all that, like, you know. So that's what I did, and I'm gonna put a clip in next to me too so y'all can see that how it looks. And it is amazing, honey. Amazing. Like a 360 of what it looks like.
So this is the clip from when I first filmed this. So this is the hair from the front, and I did put these like gold strings in them because I thought it was cute. And this is from the side, and then the other side, and here we go back to the other video.
People cannot clock you, okay? It's nice and full. You can't see it when you got it in plaits anyway. You don't pour it and all that anyway, so it don't even matter what the back looks like. Scoot up a little closer so y'all can see. Say this ain't giving scalp, y'all. And this is a natural lighting. I'm in natural lighting right now. She is just giving. So this is me and my ring light so you guys can see. Hopefully you can tell the difference. I know y'all could because I do look brighter, okay? I am light approved, honey. It don't matter if it's daylight, sunlight, natural light, ring light, red light, yellow, little green light. I'm in there, okay? Honey, she is fire. And I never had a braided wig before because I'm not even a plait type girl. And the reason why I'm not a plait type girl because I ain't got time to be sitting. So for me to get a wig that only takes about 10 to 20 minutes to do, she's under $150. Heard what I said. Under $150. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? They gave me a code to give y'all. Okay? Come on now. 30% off. This is it, honey. This is it. You ain't got to sit in the salon for hours. I was sleeping in her in the morning. She is low maintenance. I think she is beginner friendly. The hairline was pre-plucked. The hairline was pre-plucked, honey. They did what they needed to do. The knots was bleached. Y'all people saying y'all want beginner friendly wigs. Here you go. People like me who don't want to sit in the salon for hours to get their hair done. Here you go. All dates and links will be left in the description box below. Here goes the code again for you to use. Begin 30. I hope you guys enjoyed this unit. Thanks you, WeQueens, for sending this to me. Until next time, I'll see you guys